Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Acura TL key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1616 battery. Having these ready makes the process smooth and efficient. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily replace the battery yourself. It's a simple task that will have your key fob working like new in just a few moments. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The goal is to pop it open without forcing it. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, take your new CR1616 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle. Your key fob should now be fully operational and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.